Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I don't know where you are. I don't know what time you're watching this, but hello. Right, I'm sure you have all seen the viral Japanese cheesecake hack that is doing the rounds on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, you name it. It's there. And it is Japanese. It's not a cheesecake. It's called Japanese cheesecake because the idea originated in Japan. And what it is, it's Greek yogurt, and you push into it. They use coconut, oh gosh, can't remember the name of them, but they use a particular Japanese biscuit that's a coconut something in Japan, and the closest to that people are saying is a Biscoff. Well, shock horror, I'm not a fan of Biscoff biscuits. I know, shoot me now. So I'm doing a little different. I'm using my Greek yogurt. I'm also using some lemon zest, some Sicilian lemon extract, and some ginger nuts, because lemon and ginger, well, they do work well together, don't they? And I'm going to be putting them into these little ramekins. So let's get you moved, let's get started. Right then, I have got half a dozen ginger biscuits in a resealable bag. Now you could get out a blender or a food processor to do this, but I'm just going to bash them down with the rolling pin. Right, some are fine, some are not so fine, but that's okay. And then, sorry, typical pen, not ready. We're going to, excuse me, we're going to take some of our Greek yogurt and we are going to pop it into a bowl. That's probably more than, that's definitely more than enough. Right, pop the lid on, pop it away. Get my zester, and we're going to put in some lemon zest, as I said. I'll show you this so that you can see the lemon zest has gone in. I mean, if you were going to add lemon juice, be careful, because it probably would make the yoghurt split. Hence why I'm using the lemon extract. It smells divine. Right, make sure we get all of it in there. Right, let's just show you so you can see the lemon extract is in there. No, it's not. It's not in there yet. The lemon zest is in there. Oh, wow. And then we're going to go in with just some of the extract and the biscuits. And I'm just going to just stir everything through. Now, the idea is that the biscuits soak up a lot of the moisture from the yogurt, and that's why you get a cheesecake type texture. So I'm trying, do you know what? This could be a biscuit too far. I'm going to put a ginger nut in the bottom. Let's just, there's a lot of zest there, so make sure it's all through. And then I'm just going to load it up. Now this will need a minimum of 6 hours in the fridge, and overnight if you can, but we'll probably do it for the 6 hours. So all I need to do is, wow, what a good guess, look at this, look at this, I'm impressed. That's how much is left. Right, now this will just taste like a lemon yogurt at the moment. And it does. It does, right. Now, never let it be said that I'm not one for overkill. Another 2, and we'll brush those down just as we did before, and they can just go as decoration over the top. Over the top, yeah, very me. Right, so they should give us, especially some of the bits that are quite big, the texture that will be a different texture, we hope, which will be nice. Right, push them down slightly, but not fully. Do you know, I did that on that last one and then came out. Right. Sorry. And now we're just going to cover. If I had a lid that fitted, I would use it, but I don't, so I won't. Here we go. Push down and cover, and into the fridge they go, and we'll be back later to see how they taste. Right then, we're 6 or so hours later. I've just taken them out the fridge, and well, they're not flopping out, so I'm going to unwrap it and then I shall call Steve through and we can both do a taste test on camera. Now, Steve isn't a huge fan of cheesecake nor of Greek yogurt, so this, oh sorry, just trying to open the lid, could be interesting. Right then, he's here. He's got his viral Japanese cheesecake, so I'll let him go first.
So was it?
Well, it's lemon and ginger.
Okay. Oh, it's quite hard.
Oh, that's because the theory is that the biscuits soak up any looseness of the yoghurt. You're a noisy eater.
I've got a texture issue.
You're getting cheesecake vibes. It's not a cheesecake, not by any stretch of
the actual crumb
imagination, but you are getting cheesecake vibes. The flavour I like.
I'm not sure I could eat the whole one, to be honest. It's not horrible. It's not horrible, but yeah, texture thing for me.
But you're not a fan of cheesecake, are you?
No.
I am.
I think it needs more of a punch on the lemon.
For you, yes.
Why ask me to come out?
I've just said for you.
Exactly,
Don't
I'm the
do
one
that.
testing it. Yeah, I'm not sure I could eat a whole one, to be honest.
Right, viral Japanese cheesecake tried. Definitely for me better than if we'd have done it just with the yogurt and biscuits. But not something I'd make again, but I'm definitely going to finish this. So, thank you for watching. And we shall see you again very soon. Bye for now.